12 laps. The way they finish is the way they start from 17th on back. 244s, the green and yellow 44 Mondyke, the black 44 Freeman, 40 Tillman, 55 Kerner, 13 Brocker. Coming at you, first super late model race of the night. He got a little close on the initial start. Freeman to the outside, door to door with Mondyke. They get close again, going into turn number 3. Rootin' and gouging out of turn 4. Mondyke trying to push his way up the track a little bit. Wayne Freeman's got a lot more laps here than Mondyke. And he says it's not that easy, young fella. Side by side. Freeman again back to the outside for the lead. Mondyke holding up well on the bottom side. They touch, smoke flies, down the back straightaway. Justin Mondyke clears for the lead. Freeman second, right on his bumper, goes to 1, gets right up on that bumper in turn 2, but cannot hold it down. Mondyke gets away, then it's Tillman. Whoa, up the hill goes Mondyke, everybody went up. Third of the way home, and up the hill again goes Mondyke. You kind of wonder if all that beating and banging might have did something to a tire on that 44. The one in the lead. Halfway next time by for Justin Mondyke, your leader. Kerner catching Tillman for third. See if Scott Kerner can make a move on Kurt Tillman for third. 5 to go and they get back for your leader, Justin Mondyke. It is a 10-lap race instead of 12. 10 instead of 12. 2 to go this time by. 2 to go for Justin Mondyke. Everybody evenly stretched out around the track. White flag coming this time by. This will be 1 to go for Justin Mondyke. Everything straightened out. Justin Mondyke will take the first super late model win of the night. Finishing 5th and starting 21st in the All-Star 100 will be 13 Andrew Brocker. Finishing 4th, starting 20th will be 55 Scott Kerner. Starting in 19th, finishing 3rd, the 40 of Kurt Tillman. Runner-up starting in spot 18 for tonight's All-Star 100, Wayne Freeman in the black 44. And your winner of tonight's qualifying heat race for the ARCA Midwest Tour, Super Late Models, the green 44 car from Gleason, Wisconsin, the Agri Industries Aqua Finance, Schaefer's Oil, Woodland Court Elder Service sponsored Chevrolet. How about a nice hand for Justin Mondyke? Super Late Models will be up